Hello, hi, this is Paul, and today I'm going to talk about something different, something regarding to creating your web page using the different kind of tool, maybe a scheduling tool, and maybe like other tool may be useful. I have for you here the form tool. So basically, today is let me see, is day 65 of 90 day to get out of rat race. So I'm going to talk about here basically is a web page I'm trying to design, and there are something different kind of character. There are some kind of I would say that technical skill which is behind the scene, and that's why I'm making this video, because any time to do with technical is really hard to actually describe it over the just a phone or um, just a simple a messaging. So it's only the which is I think is a better ways to create a video. So this is what I'm trying to do. I just give you a little background. I try to create a website which is allowing me to sell some click. What I mean click is mean traffic. They are people actually have a lot of the say the database of subscribers, and they like to share the subscribers. So what they do is there are two ways. They would just send an email broadcast to their list, and in the email they'll have a swipe file say this and that is what does it benefit you, and click here to see the product. So they click the link. Link actually is going to your the traffic in the affiliate marketers a link, because the people they either market their product affiliate or affiliate, or either their product affiliate, they provide the link, and you send this link to the marketer, so that becomes solo ads. And there's a way they actually, if they want to click, there's a way they can start 100, because you are using tool like Click Magic. They can they all the link is actually sent to one link at Click Magic, and if you say 100, after one the link will stop, and if you have more people click the link, they will actually go into the next order. Um, and if you have an order in the order and Click Magic, and they will just go into your other people final destination. For me, it's here over, because I just create over there, and if people, if I want to invite, I just go directly to, if they don't have anything, just go to the CA. So that is the setting I'm doing, and I want to create a web page to to marketing this solo ads business. And I will talk about two things. One, another thing is nothing is you can do is you can always send the have the people, instead of uh, send to the email, you can actually buy solo ads, and when you buy the solo ads, and so ads go into your funnel, and you can find your funnel and send to your buyer. You can do that as well. That is called a funnel click, and people previously talk about the send email to broadcasting. That's broadcasting click, and sometimes it's people will say as you what kind of click you have, we say it's a mix. So the page I'm create here, which is called the solo page, and then we're gonna talk about the form and calendar. As you can see, well, I created this using Adobe Photoshop, and this version is we actually I just put logo and just write something, have some text background to be like enlightenment, and so you have this type of effect. And then I just type the word inside there, isn't really nothing, and this is just image for testimonial. Then I have some other wordy image, and that's it. Okay, the difference is you will see this is a form, and then what I do in the instant builder, I using this HTML embed, which is I can just put HTML or JavaScript CSS inside this particular area. So that allow you to like plug in some third-party function into your own website. So this is what I did. Okay, I have this one called the um, Jotform, and it's free. There's a free version and there's also $10 version. I use $10 version because if you do not have $10 version, you'll not be able to put this form inside in your website. So let me just to show you the actually website looks like. I was in the InstaBuilder. This is built by InstaBuilder 2.0, and this is what the website looks like. Okay, and so okay, so basically this is what the form looks like. Okay, so every time, say if I want to I want to buy this I clicked, and it just go into this form because I have little tag, the hash sign, and this is called the form, and I just have here connect to the form over there. Okay, so basically this is why you click this one and you come here, and it's very basic HTML file. If you have any question, just send me an email. I'll create another video show some HTML basic stuff. But this is a form, okay? And you can see I click the form, it will expand, and I type in, and it will expand until it finish. And after I fill out the form, and the Jotform will send you an email. An email will actually just okay, you can just see previous this is my previous testing. So email just will send you the information, so you just collect the phone through an email. That's what you want, right? Isn't it? So it's very simple, and you don't need to have programming skill. All you need to do is just create a phone in the Jotform. Again, this is free, unless you want to put this in your embed to your existing web page, like a part of your web page. But if you're just using it as a standalone, and you direct the people going to your phone website, it will give you a link, and nothing, just a phone without any of your own content. You're not combined to your own website, and that's free. Okay, and but if you want to have more, then you $10 per month. So you do is you just click and drag, drag this, the field, and then I just show you. Okay, show you here. You drag the field, and it will give you free, and you just type it, right? And then that's it. And you can say, okay, this is a required field. Okay. Okay. Save, change, and save, change. Because I try to go to the setting and make this required. What happened? Because I already have this field. Okay, let me delete that, remove that, and let me just put something different this time. Okay, just click here. Alright, then just say this is required. Okay, they change it a little bit. Okay, I was just able to like click in the drop down here and select. Well, anyway, okay, so you click OK and you save, and you'll actually see the start. It'll be asterisk. That means this phone is required. Okay, so it's very actually self-explanatory. So I'm gonna close that. So once you finish that, you can just save and you can preview. And how do I do this kind of drop down? Is actually I have a condition. I say okay, if this one is complete, then show this one. So that is something that with a condition I do, and it's all in the property, which is can do that. And you also have an option to do just like format the form, just make the form have something to go theme, you can do that as well. Okay, I figured out why actually I checked this property I actually packed up because I upgrade. So it was just a basic some few function, and right now it has more function. That's why they pop up. And the condition, okay, I show you here. You can see this condition logic. So what I do is if, okay, the first question show, then show the second one. If second question show, then show the, if not show, then don't show the third, and so on. So that's why I have this condition that you can see in the preview page, which is they continue to drop down. Okay, we select and they'll drop down, select and drop down, type something, and they'll drop down, type something, and they'll drop down, type something, and drop down. So this is the action I'm talking about. Okay, just click something and drop down. Alright, so once you have the phone, you go to the publish, and the publish they have a very neat just embed function, and just get the source code. Source code as HTML. So all you have to do is just copy this one to HTML to your instant builder here, right? And just click here and just paste over there, and that's how you create. All right. So how do you create the next page? Because after that I have next page, right? I'll just have to show you. After I click on submit, okay. All right. I click submit. All right. Okay. And they will actually let's use somebody. The reason I like to have them kind of like on reveal the tiny type, because otherwise the phone is, you show the phone like 10 questions too 12 questions too much. People probably lazy to fill them out. Okay, so you click submit, and they will give you another page. And this page is interesting because I like to talk to my clients before I work with them. So basically, I'll just use a C, and then you'll see this calendar things. So you can make an appointment with me using the website, and it's a thank you page. So what happened is, in thank you pages, you can just pick up a day. Okay, say tomorrow. Then you just say 12 p.m. You can actually set up the availability you have. This is in the scheduling. Okay, uh, this is actually free, also $10. $10. Oh, I'm sorry. For the phone is free. I didn't pay any money for only for the sorry, for the calendar I pay $10. The reason I do that is because um, if I don't put that can $10, they won't allow me to put into the website. So that was a calendar. So I create two calendars so far. Okay, this is a main page. This is like your desktop, and you can actually uh, create different schedule different kind of purpose. You maybe have a consultant, maybe have a solo as different kind of consultant, different kind of calendar you can send out, and this is link. The link is free, but if you want to embed, you need to pay $10 to for this one to embed to your system. And of course, if you don't pay, it's still gonna work, but you're gonna have a kind of pop, kind of like text in the background say you haven't paid something, so in order to pay, then you will see this annoying message, something like that. Okay, so it's very self-explanatory. If you have questions, just write the email to me, and I can do a full, more detailed tutorial about this. But I will just try to show you the tool actually I have, and this is something I create after I create, and same thing I just put into the that will be different page. I'm gonna leave this page. I just put into the thank you page, right? So I have a thank you page here. Okay, schedule a call. That's actually my sound page is publish. Okay, so this page basically is here. I basically was doing the same. I just embed the script over there because after creating this and say okay, you want this one put into a website, and you can do is just copy this one into your embedded code embedded code EMBB, and that's how you see the phone. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. You have a very blessed day. You have a very good night as well. Thank you. Bye bye.